Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet. This process allows you to securely interact with various decentralized applications, or dApps, directly from your mobile device. It's a fundamental step for anyone looking to fully engage with the Web3 ecosystem, offering both convenience and enhanced security for your digital assets. Let's dive into the simple steps. First, open your preferred decentralized application using your mobile browser or the dApp browser within Trust Wallet itself. Once on the dApps page, look for a button typically labeled Connect Wallet or a similar phrase. Clicking this will usually present you with a list of compatible wallets. Simply select Trust Wallet to proceed. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: just like you want a secure wallet, you want reliable socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. After selecting Trust Wallet, your wallet application will automatically open, prompting you to approve the connection. It's crucial to carefully review the permissions the dApp is requesting. Ensure you understand what access you are granting. Once you are comfortable, confirm the connection within your Trust Wallet app to finalize the process and begin interacting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.